What's up, you guys? Welcome to today's video. We have a bunch to do, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing we want to do is go ahead and get the Jeep a nice little bath, so let's get started. Alright, and just like that, we have arrived to Chicagoland Car Wash. Quick update, I'm freezing and the car wash will not work for some reason. I think it's not even open yet, so that sucks. It is currently 23 degrees outside at 6:43 in the morning and I can't work a freaking car wash. That sucks. Anyways, let's go see if we can find another one. If not, let's go pick up my boy Sargon. Alright, so I just looked it up. That car wash actually opens at 7 o'clock. So we've got about 13 minutes to go get some coffee and then go back there. And we're back. This time we just gotta wait for this place to open. Let's see. We got 4 minutes, boys. And I actually can't drag because I gotta pick Sargon up and then we got a like 25-minute drive. So let's see if we can make this work. Also, I want to take this time to kind of tell you guys what is actually going on with the Jeep today. Let me show you. Okay. So when I bought the Jeep, the back windows came tinted and the fronts did not. See that? I think it looks kind of silly. If the backs are tinted and the fronts are not. So in today's video, we're actually going to be going to Chicago Auto Pros in Glenview, Illinois, and get that taken care of. So make sure you guys stay tuned. If it opens at 8 o'clock, this will be the last time you guys see the Jeep looking like that. Not a paid product placement for Colorverse or its affiliates. Alright, boys, we're good. Jeep is looking spiffy. There it is. Boom. Yo. Alright, you guys, so we just arrived to Chicago Auto Pros here in Glenview. Got my boy Sargon in the back getting his camera ready. He's gonna help me out with some footage. And yeah, stay tuned. Let's see how this thing turns out. guys, so the boys at Chicago Auto Pros just finished up with the Jeep. It looks absolutely perfect. Check this out. Looks better than when I first bought it. Got the tints on there now. Looks super nice. So yeah, I just wanted to give a big shout out to Chicago Auto Pros for hooking it up. They took really good care of the car. Super quick. The tints were on in an hour. They took care of it and washed it for me. So a huge shout out to them. Thank you guys. I'll put a link to their website and all their social medias down below. Also, I want to give a shout out to my boy Sargon. He took time out of his day to come spend some time with me and help me edit. So I'm also going to put a link to his channel down below. Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel and check it out. Also, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.